Have you ever wondered how to make money from LinkedIn? This professional networking platform is more than just a place for job seekers and employers to connect. It's a goldmine for savvy individuals who know how to leverage its potential. Let's explore how you can turn your LinkedIn activity into a stream of revenue. Firstly, if you have a knack for something specific, offer your services as a freelancer or consultant. Businesses and individuals alike are always on the lookout for experts who can provide valuable insights and solutions. Promote your services on your LinkedIn profile and network with other members to increase your visibility. Secondly, if you have products or services to sell, create a LinkedIn company page. Promote your offerings to your followers and use LinkedIn ads to reach a more extensive audience. Thirdly, consider becoming an affiliate marketer. This performance-based marketing strategy involves promoting other people's products or services in exchange for a commission on each sale. To start, sign up for an affiliate program and begin promoting these offerings to your LinkedIn connections. Fourthly, if you're an expert in a particular area, why not create and sell LinkedIn courses? Platforms like LinkedIn Learning are popular for selling online courses, but you can also sell your courses on your own website. Fifthly, writing and selling LinkedIn ebooks is another great way to monetize your expertise. You can sell your ebooks on your own website or through platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Now, to maximize your LinkedIn revenue, consider these additional tips. Build a strong LinkedIn profile. It's your online resume. Make sure it's complete and professional, showcasing your work experience, education skills, and any relevant awards or recognition. Network with other LinkedIn members. Connect with people you know and admire and join LinkedIn groups related to your industry. Create and share high-quality content. This could include articles, blog posts, videos, or infographics. The goal is to attract attention and showcase your expertise. Lastly, use LinkedIn ads strategically. They can be a great way to reach a wider audience and promote your products or services. However, remember to target your audience carefully. In summary, LinkedIn offers multiple avenues for making money, from offering freelance services and selling products to affiliate marketing and creating online courses or ebooks. By building a robust profile, networking, sharing quality content, and using LinkedIn ads strategically, you can tap into LinkedIn's potential and increase your chances of success. So why not start today?